Oh yeah, we're gonna give the snowblower a good workout. We got a good 10-12 inches of snow, and it's supposed to get, well, it is cold out. It's only about 25 now, but it's supposed to get down below zero tonight. So anyway, I got work cut out. We're gonna get the snowblower out and clean this mess up. Well, as you can see, I got all the snow cleaned up from the blizzard 2021. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Last night it was white out. My cameras were out here in the garage. There was no way in a 40-mile-an-hour wind with driving snow I was going to come out here and grab a camera. But anyway, I just thought I'd make a little video of cleaning it up. It's the biggest snow we've had in years here, so it was kind of nice. I mean, it was literally, I don't know what the definitions of a blizzard is, but it was in the teens and 30-mile-an-hour winds anyway, with gusts and driving snow. And we had about, on the average, about 10 inches of snow. Some places there was, you know, 2 or 3 inches from drifting, and some places there was 2 feet, but on the average it was about maybe 8-10 inches. I'm going to say 10 inches pretty much all across the board. The snowblower got a good workout, probably burned a good half, 3/4 of a tank of gas through it. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe by hitting that 348 engine icon that pops up, and thank you for watching.